If you want to take screenshot with back tap gesture on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in the settings we need to scroll down a little bit and go to gestures. Then you should be able to find the quick launch option, which is the back tap gesture. Make sure that it is enabled and then tap on the setting icon that we have in the bottom left corner. After that you should be able to choose take screenshot. So now let's go back. And now if you double tap the back of the phone, let me give it a try. There we go. As you can see, we can capture a screenshot. This is where I tap usually. You can also go back to the setting. Let me actually go back there for a second. Because if you have trouble with the back tap gesture, you can always press this button and try it out in order to learn how to use it, so you can figure out where you can tap. And there we go. As you can see, if I keep tapping, then I have the feedback if I'm doing it correctly. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.